the Callaway Gardens Festival. Lady got hummingbird feeders that are made out of crystal, one of a kind. They're so beautiful.
Never separated.
I mean, just awesome.
Isn't that crazy? I was so proud.
Come over here and show y'all. Make sure I don't knock nothing over. But I mean, they're just one of a kind. They're awesome. I'm gonna grab the card right here so y'all can see who makes them. That's her card right there. If y'all can see it good. Contact her and I'll put it on the descriptions too for y'all. But yeah, they're so beautiful, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.